Hello everybody, right here I'm downloading Trustport PC security. So, I have a big problem with the security suite already. It is, in total, 164 megabytes. So it's a huge suite, first of all. And second of all, if you see my download speed here, 43.2 kilobytes per second. I get, on average, 350. So, this server by Trustport is very dead. It's not in any way capable for downloading suites and everything. It's taking a hit or something because it's not getting a download speed it should. This has been going for 45 minutes. Yeah, so you see the problem there. I'll be back when we actually get this installer on the virtual machine, and we'll actually see what it's made of, not just what it looks like downloading. Alright, I'll be back in maybe another 20 minutes. Alright, so we got Trustport installed here. Not installed, but on the desktop. We're going to run the installer. Trustport is an interesting application. It's another multi-core application. It uses AVG, Norman, and Dr. Web. So it's capable, hopefully, of having a good detection rate. Now, unfortunately, when you get that many engines, you start to get heavy, and we will see what kind of heaviness that is. So it tells you not to have any other real-time protection installed. That's fine, we don't. This is secure image file. I believe that this is like a virtual drive for protected documents and stuff. We will create a new image. That's fine, we'll leave that alone. Default local is a fine storage name. And we'll start installing here. So it tells you what components installing. It tells you where it's installing from. Because this is a large suite, I am going to be pausing this video while this installs. Alright, I'll see you when we get back. Alright, so this is installed here. It wants to ask me what email client I use so that it can protect it. I don't use any email client because this is my virtual machine, but I'll let it do Outlook Express. And yes, I will restart the computer. This is going to go and restart, and I'll be right back when it's done. Alright, PC is booting back up here. It gives me a license key report. Time-limited license key detected. Alright, it's just a pop-up. Alright. So, cripes. Next. Trial version. No. Okay, Disk Protection Image Creation Wizard. So, Trustport Disk Protection lets you store your files in folder... It's just giving me a lot of noise here. So it lets you store your files and folders securely in encrypted volume images that can be mounted and unmounted at any time. These volume images are normal files and can be stored on your hard disk, on any removable media such as a USB flash disk, or as read-only images on the CD-ROM, for instance. So to create a new volume, we'll just... Next. That's good. That's fine. And mounted at startup. Next. So, password, username, test, password, test, test. So it's collecting data, and it's created a new volume, and finish. No, and it's wanting to scan its own volume. So let's go to my computer here, and if we notice that we have a CD-ROM. Oh, that's something on my computer here. Wrong thing. So this is our blank image, and if I copy any files to there, they'll be safe. Alright, that's a pretty cool idea. So let's open Trustport Center here. And, alright, this is a mess. Alright, that's much better. So, let's take a look here. We have Trustport Antivirus. If we click on this, it opens up a website about Trustport Antivirus. Alright, that's neat. And so you have two icons, by the way. So, on-access scanner, options, that's all fine. On-demand scanner, that's good. Scan all files is a good idea there. Internet protection, enable sandbox. I like that. And, don't scan large files is always a good idea. Quarantine, you get to see your quarantine files. Logs. Scheduler. Engine. So, right here it's reporting that we're using Bitdefender and AVG, I guess. So, maybe the website was wrong about what it used. Although, so yeah, that's fine. Updates, enable automatic updates. That's fine. The personal firewall is, hang on. Alright, so the personal firewall, global settings. So you can edit your firewall settings depending on what you're doing. I'm gonna use firewall rules. Filter, filter definitions, firewall log, network utilities. So you can test your network and stuff. That's fine. Data shredder. Basically, you can wipe your data and you can panic shred. That's fine. So I can shred any documents I have that I want. And you can shred some system parts, which is cookies. Disk protection. Configuration. This is, let's see. This is the image I just created. So, you can edit your mounted disks, and you can edit your images. eSign is, I'm not quite sure what that is. I'm not going to go into it. It's just an encryption. Archive encryption. That's fine. Skin. Alright, different skins you can use. That's fine. Language settings and license keys, so you can manage all your stuff there. Alright, that looks just about like what we're gonna get out of Trustport, and I'm gonna go and give this a try. I'll be doing that in part 2 of this video, so stay tuned and click on the link to part 2. Alright. Bye-bye.